this is the Osburn 2700-I. This is the Matrix. So this one is going to be a more traditional spin on the original Matrix. The original Matrix has a very contemporary look to it. So this is really nice with the detailing on the sides of the unit. Nice arch faceplate. This does have a nice big glass door. You can see here the door is fully gasketed. You do have a refractory lined firebox. So I want to go ahead and point out how we have the firebox loaded here. So you will see that there are the horizontal pieces of wood, but you will see two vertical pieces front to back. Putting those vertical pieces, you'll see that there's a nice air space under there. That makes it so much easier to get your fire started. Now the firebox does have the reburn tubes located at the top of the unit. That is what makes this a high efficiency EPA unit. It does have the nice log stopper at the front to keep anything from rolling forward and hitting the glass. Located on the side of the unit is going to be your variable speed switch for the blower.